In this video guide, I will share with you how to withdraw your money from Aster DEX. If you want to withdraw your money, follow me in this video. First, login in your account in Aster DEX. Login. After that, you will see this page. Click on this icon from here and then choose withdraw. From the withdraw, choose your address from here, your USDT address. After that, when you write your address, just like this USDT address, friends, for example, this is a USDT address, just await. For example, this one, copy this and choose your amount you want to withdraw and select withdraw option. So friends, this is how you can do. You should be also use a withdraw here. And then you can also use transfer, the same thing. You can choose a transfer to make a withdraw. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video for more.